grown adults going to a sleepover.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me Johnson, or Jonas125, here with another video. Here we're gonna go head to Big Bear, California. I've never been there, so let's see how it is. We're gonna go camping for the night and then we're gonna call it a day. But right now we're gonna go ahead.
All right guys, we just all right guys, here we are. We're going to, what is this place called?
It's like
Baguette spot. Try it out, see how it is.
oh shit.
So this is what I got for food.
That's where Bob is.
All right, overall this place was all right. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. Nothing crazy for what it is.
All right guys, here we are at Costco. Just filled up gas. I'm just waiting for my buddy to fill up gas, but yeah, here we are.
Alright guys, we're currently driving through this unimproved road. You know, my car's typically not the one. Oh, you hear that little thunder? Anywho, yeah, it's raining. You see a little bit of hail right there. But here we are. Let's get it.
Oh, let's do it.
Alright, we have arrived to our campground. I have no idea the name of the campground, but here we are. We're probably gonna go off-roading in a bit. See how that goes.